Hey guys, just wanted to jump on here and do a quick little video warning everybody about the latest scam that's going on. This is mainly, this is for everybody. I know a personal friend, I know a business associate, two people that have been caught by this scam, and you're probably going to want to share this video, okay? So basically, it seems to be a scam for business to business so far, all right, when business is doing something with business. So let's say I'm buying some big purchase and it's like $4,000, okay? And I'm going to be sending money either to their bank account or do a ACH, a wire transfer, Venmo or something. I don't know. However you're paying, when you're paying one lump sum of money to somebody else, you'll get kind of like an urgent email from the other party that you're working with, and they'll say that like their bank account was compromised, they had to open a new bank account. Here's the new number for safety reasons, send it this account number, or a new Venmo, send it this Venmo, or whatever. They try and redirect your funds, okay? And you look at the email address to make sure it's coming from the person you're doing business with. It is coming from someone you do business with. So you send the money to the new account. Then upon looking closer at the email, there's an I or an A missing in their name. There's one little letter that's gone that you don't realize. They have opened an email account under your name without a vowel at the end or something. So you have sent the money to the scam people, and what they do is they'll write the other company and they'll send them an email on your behalf with your name missing a vowel so that they can control the conversation, okay? So the scam artists are talking to both parties. They're telling the other party, hey, give me a week, I gotta get the funds together. The other one, they're like, hey, send in this new bank account number. This way, what they're trying to do is stall. They don't want you picking the phone up and calling the other person going, hey, where's the $4,000 I've been waiting for? No, it's already been sent to the scam artist, already been withdrawn. There's plenty of time to not be able to pull the money transfer back. It's happening more and more, okay? So this is a scam. You got to be careful. You don't let anybody redirect your money, okay? When it's usually doing business to business, and it looks like it's the person you're working with, but it's not. They have altered the email address, okay? So they're pretending to be your associate. I don't know why. Probably because times are getting tough. Things are really going to get a little weird. I'm getting phishing scams like 5 a day on my phone. I'm getting text messages. If Amazon gives me any more money, I'll be able to retire. It seems like I'm winning stuff. Click on this link. Don't click on a link. Don't click on a link. Don't transfer information. Don't give information via text message or email. Make sure it's voice to voice or face to face, so you know who you're dealing with. But protect yourselves, because they are going to try to separate you from your money. So pass this on. I believe the scam is originating. I don't know if you're in America who's watching this video, but people in America, I think the scam's coming from overseas. So not that it matters. It's still a scam. Doesn't matter if it's America or, somewhere else. But anyway, I need you guys to be extra, extra careful. I need you to carefully look at every email address that comes in. Make sure it's the person you're talking to before you start transmitting any information, okay? Logins, they'll want everything. So protect yourself. You've been warned. It's the latest scam that I'm hearing about. I know 2 people who've been slammed by it already. I love you guys. I'll talk to you later.